Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RNN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis. Did it on Friday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And after yet another, green day, there's updates here that certainly need to be made. So first update comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the video on Friday, hopefully you remember me talking about 42 cents as resistance, but now that the price is above it, this would be the ideal level of support. I mean, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? If the price can hold above 42 cents, that would be, best case scenario. Now, if the price does drop below it, it's not like everything's ruined or anything like that, but that's certainly going to be the ideal area. Next level after that is all about the purple line right here, which is the 50-period simple moving average. And as I've said in past videos, taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things and just, simplifying the chart, making it very black and white in terms of how can we measure the health of the move? This being the move right here. Easiest way to do that, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. And because that purple line has now crossed up above the green line down here, yeah, this green line still pertains to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint and not wanting a million lines everywhere, that can cause clutter and confusion, I'm just going to get rid of that so we can try to keep this as clean as possible. So again, 42 cents near-term ideal level of support, but from the big picture of things, like I said, as long as the price is above that purple line, 50-period simple moving average, bulls are in full control. What about levels of resistance? At this point in time, just going to talk about one, and I think I've mentioned this in past, but it still holds true, and that's up there at 50 cents. That is where the party finally stopped today. And the reason I'm just going to focus on one level of resistance is, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not a top priority at all. Top priority is just going through healthy consolidation and building higher bases, because as long as the price keeps on building these higher lows like it's been doing, the chart's going to continue to take care of itself. So very nice start to the week. We'll see how the rest of this week all unfolds. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.